standing here with Metallica today, the band that would punch each other in the face, and right, like Lars. One time, James hit you in the face because he didn't the way you perform. I mean,
yeah,
Jesus,
that's right.
Talk about the good old days. By the way,
an asshole.
Yeah. Lars, when he punches you in the face, when James punches you in the face, can he throw a punch, or is it really not that bad?
Oh God.
Let's put it this way. This will answer your question. We were playing, I think just down the street from here. We were at the Troubadour, or I think it was the Troubadour, right? It was the first show where we ever, at least in our minds, got an encore.
Yeah.
We were 6-9 months into our career. We got an encore. So we're standing off stage discussing what song to play, and let's just say there was differences of opinion. So I suggested a song that started with drums. So James suggested something else. We went back up on stage, and I started the song that started with drums. And so when we came off, I got a slight punch in the stomach. I did stand up for the rest of the night. However, I think for balance, I will say that throughout the rest of the 80s, James helped me in many situations when I had a little bit of a big mouth and could definitely throw the best smart-ass comments back to people. And there were a couple times when the beer and the good times were flowing where I would say the wrong thing to the wrong people, but still they were really funny. And 30 years later, they still sound bites, elicit chuckles when you tell the story. But James was always there as my big brother.
He had your back.
I would usually just run, I'd just fucking take off. But then James would clean it up for me and throw a few punches at some of these other guys.
James, how did you know how to fight so well? Was this something taught, or you just had a lot of fights in your life?
I don't know how to fight at all. I really don't. I just have attitude.
Fueled by Jägermeister.
He had the mouth, and
It's a bar fight!